This morning, there are 28 cases of coronavirus in New Mexico. One case, medical officials can't find a travel link. So today, malls, gyms, theaters, and other public spots are shutting down around the state. The governor's order also requires stores to place limits on essential items like sanitary items, diapers, and medicine. The restrictive order is in place until April 10th, but could be extended.
Mayor Tim Keller's first declaration of public health emergency is in effect this morning. The declaration allows the city to direct funds for the COVID-19 response, as well as request more resources from the state and the feds. Now, the city wants to be clear. The declaration does not close streets or declare a curfew or limit firearm or alcohol sales. Erica.
And for today, the system starts moving off to the east, but we'll still continue to see some light snow continuing in the mountains through the day today. Otherwise, drying conditions across the lower elevations with windy conditions as well. Those winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour on the east side of the state.
This morning, we are learning that one of the state's 28 COVID-19 cases is a doctor at the VA hospital. Now, the Journal reports that health officials say that a VA doctor is among the cases in Bernalillo County and is now in isolation at home. People who have been in contact with that employee are now being monitored. The hospital is testing all patients and employees with symptoms. While the VA and other hospitals are limiting visitor access at Presbyterian, they are no longer allowing visitors altogether in order to protect patients and staff. The exceptions are children, those maternity units, and those receiving end-of-life care. Loveless and the VA says that visitors will be cleared before they can see anyone.
The governor's order also requires all restaurants to switch to takeout or delivery only. There will be no dining in allowed. Some restaurants may not have any other option but to shut down during the order. If they don't comply, there could be consequences. Of course, our coverage of the coronavirus in New Mexico continues online. That's where you'll find testing locations. 5 more will soon open, including one in Roswell. We also have the hotline you need to call before getting tested. That's all on KRQE.com.
And here's a look at our Metro Threat Index for today. Keeping it fairly low, but at a 3, we'll have cooler temperatures. Temps dropping into the 50s for our highs. Very windy conditions with gusts up to 40, and we could see an isolated shower in the middle Rio Grande Valley through midday.
New video here shows a state police chase ending in Albuquerque. Officers say that they attempted to pull over Isaiah Aguilar for driving without a license plate back in February. Now, when the car stopped, he told police that he borrowed the car. 2 female passengers were also arrested. Court records show that Aguilar has a lengthy criminal history, including car theft.
The feds are prosecuting an Albuquerque man accused of threatening to kill Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham. Authorities say Daniel Mock posted 2 threatening messages to the governor's Facebook page saying he was done with corrupt government. A criminal complaint states he was just blowing off steam. He could face up to 5 years in prison.
This morning, police are asking witnesses of a wild chase down I-40 to call them after the suspect shot and killed himself. Officers began following a stolen car yesterday afternoon south on I-25, then onto Isleta. Police say the driver stopped and carjacked the owner of a blue pickup at gunpoint. Now, that chase ended at I-40 in Louisiana. Officials have not released his identity. An
Albuquerque man is asking for your help in tracking down some thieves. Joshua Vargas says while he was in his backyard off Indian School in Eubank, 2 men took off with his trailer. He's sharing his Ring doorbell camera video, hoping to find them. He estimates the trailer's worth $2,000.
Today, you may notice new road barriers in southeast Albuquerque. The city installed the curbs down the middle of Central, that's east of Old Coors, and keeping people from making illegal turns into the ART lanes. The curbs will eventually be painted yellow. The plan is to also install curbs between Tingley and Rio Grande, and then between San Pedro and Washington.
As gyms across the state close today, local fitness centers are posting workouts online. Traveling Yoga Studio Yoga Zo has 2 classes online and more content on the way for a small fee. This is to help keep their employees on the payroll as well. Other area gyms are posting Facebook Live workouts and sharing at-home exercises. Erica.
Well, the zoo is keeping people entertained by sharing videos of what the animals are up to these days. The Biopark Society shared this video of 2 chimps monkeying around. Fun times are also continuing for the giraffes. And, of course, we showed you the video right there of the penguins playing in bubbles. You can find all these videos and more on the Biopark's social media pages.